everybody, it's Estelle Day and I am in Malibu, California at the Jafra Beauty Bar at my grandparents' house in Malibu, Jan and Frank Day. Today I am reviewing the Precious Protein, the Bath and Shower Gel, and the Rich Hand Cream. These are some of my favorite Jafra personal products. Number one, this reminds me of the powder room next to the living room growing up at my grandparents' house. This smell. It's incredible. It's such a thick gel. It's, when usually shower gels are very they're kind of light and soapy. This is has a thick kind of it's like shower gel with a creamy oil or something. It's really, really hydrating. And I just put it on right now and it just smells so good. But it's so hydrating and really, 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 I would say this is one of the most hydrating shower gels that Jafra has, in my opinion. And it's a Precious Protein hydrating shower gel. And on the back it even says it's formulated with moisturizing and conditioning protein and essential oil, and that's exactly what it feels like. It's like a thick, very hydrating, beautiful shower gel. So if you're feeling a little dry, this is the perfect thing to use. And it really makes you feel hydrated and makes your skin feel really silky afterward. And what's great is that you can also get the Precious Protein Rich Hand Cream. And right now, we're really finding ourselves washing our hands a lot more than usual. And this little bottle of lotion is so fantastic to keep by the sink where you come home and you wash your hands after you've been at the market or, on your essential errand. Because when you wash your hands a lot, your hands tend to get really, really dry. Not with this. This will keep your hands so nourished, and it's just like the shower gel. It's really, really creamy and beautiful. It's a beautiful hand cream, and it really keeps your hands hydrated. It's just beautiful. These two products, if you're really feeling your skin's a little beaten down and dehydrated, these two products are the Precious Protein and the lotion. These two are amazing. And what's great is Jafra can ship directly to your house. You don't have to leave. You don't have to go to the market, and you get the most high top quality products ever that smell incredible, and you get them shipped straight to your front door, and you don't have to go anywhere. That is a huge blessing. So again, these are incredible. Highly recommend them. They're really, really great for dry skin. Very, very hydrating. Stay tuned. I will be reviewing some of my favorite Jafra personal products from the Jafra Beauty Bar that can get shipped straight to your front door. Bye. See you soon.